Alright guys, Nate with Aft-Tek here. Today we are installing Mr. Doug Wegner's brand new Lund GL219. We'll go through this entire Aquatraction installation process. So we just got done installing our brand new fiberglass hatches that we made. These are stupid strong. So we go with, you can see how thick that actual hatch is. So these are in replacement with aluminum carpeted hatches from factory. So now that we have these installed, we closed off the gaps, so we actually made these hatches bigger from factory to have about a 1/4 inch gap instead of an inch gap that would happen if we would strip the carpet off the factory hatches. So we're going to start installing and prepping this for Aquatraction as we have our 260 pieces cut already. We're going to start cleaning the boat. We're going to go prime everything, get everything prepped and ready for Aquatraction. Alright, Doug's boat, we are installing some protection pads. So they're 3mm thickness, black. Accomplishes two different things. If the hatch edges ever come into contact with the boat, it protects the boat and hatch. And also for aesthetics, you don't see this gray flake shining through these gaps. So you'll just see a solid black color then from the hatch, the protection pads, and then the Aquatraction installed on top of them. So we are going to be installing the back deck and the front deck right away. We got everything primed, cleaned, ready to go. So Doug went with extra memory foam here. So what we had to do is cut 6mm Aquatraction and then this memory foam. So this is some really squishy stuff. It's basically an anti-fatigue mat throughout the entire boat. It's super nice as far as comfort goes for how squishy it is. So this one pad has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 pieces on it. So you can see how that 260 number adds up pretty quick. So kind of have pads scattered everywhere, but the front decks and back decks have this extra memory foam. So we're going to be installing those first, and then we're going to be cleaning and priming the cockpit and then getting all those installed.